Welcome, curious souls, to a journey of enlightenment and transformation. Today, we invite you to explore a captivating topic that has been capturing the attention of the world: the rising tide of spirituality and its profound impact on our beloved planet. In a world where individuals are becoming increasingly aware of their well-being and the environment, the winds of change are blowing, gently guiding us towards a brighter future. But what is it that has sparked this powerful awakening? Picture this: a generation unlike any before, driven by unique perspectives and values, stepping onto the stage of our shared consciousness. These seekers of truth, armed with their open hearts and boundless curiosity, are igniting a spiritual revolution, changing the very fabric of our existence. And then, dear viewers, the unexpected occurred. The world faced a test of epic proportions, a global pandemic that shifted our perspective, thrusting us into a collective pause. In the face of uncertainty, we found solace in our search for meaning, discovering the profound connection between our well-being and the spiritual realm. My friends, it is in this crucible of challenge that we begin to grasp the magnitude of our individual and collective power. We are witnessing the dawn of a golden age, where spirituality intertwines with every aspect of our existence, from our personal lives to the very fabric of society itself. So, if you hunger for a deeper understanding of the universe's grand design, if you yearn for a future filled with harmony and purpose, then journey with us as we peel back the layers, exploring the signs that point towards the dawn of a new era. Okay, let's begin. The acceptance of spirituality is growing among people, indicating a shift in consciousness and the potential for a new era on our planet. There is a growing sense of awareness about the ascension of the Earth into a higher dimension, where individuals are awakening to the idea that there is more to life than the material world. However, many people still live in the delusion that this world is all there is to live for, leading to unrest and frustration. Mother Earth is moving forward on her path, and anything that impedes her progress will be shattered, causing harm and destruction. It is important for individuals to recognize the signs and embrace the changes that are happening. One of the main reasons for the changes in the world is the awakening of spirituality. People are starting to believe in things beyond their materialistic lifestyles and are open to exploring concepts such as meditation, hypnosis, lucid dreaming, and out-of-body experiences. The acceptance and open discussion of spirituality is a significant sign that the planet is entering the Golden Age. As the Golden Age draws closer, there are subtle changes happening around us. It is important to pay attention to these changes and embrace a belief in things beyond our materialistic lifestyle. This shift in consciousness and acceptance of spirituality is a historic shift that signifies the transition into a higher dimension. Individuals may experience signs and symptoms such as a feeling of disorientation, a loss of sense of place, and a mirroring of their higher self in their physical body. They may also experience anxiety, depression, and mood swings as they adjust to the higher vibrational frequencies of the fifth dimension. The New Earth transition is often described as heaven-like, where individuals can experience dimensions beyond the physical realm. While there is speculation and varying beliefs about the specifics of the Golden Age and the higher dimensions, the acceptance of spirituality is the basis for this spiritual awakening and ascension process. It represents a strong desire for a higher level of consciousness and a collective shift towards a more enlightened and harmonious existence. The role of the new generation in the ascension is often overlooked or misunderstood. These individuals bring with them innate wisdom, intelligence, and an unconditional love for Mother Earth. They are at the forefront of living a better and more eco-friendly lifestyle, leading by example and inspiring others to make positive changes. One of the ways in which the new generation contributes to the planet's ascension is through their introduction of new energy, efficient and cost-effective instruments and devices. They are revolutionizing the techniques of medical science and technology, finding innovative ways to be of service to others and improve the well-being of humanity. The recent pandemic has brought about a unique opportunity for introspection and personal growth. It has allowed individuals to reevaluate their lives and make changes that are conducive to their spiritual and physical well-being. The pandemic has also increased awareness of the importance of sanitization and taking care of one's health. Many people are now following a holistic way of life, recognizing the interconnectedness of their physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. They understand that addressing all aspects of their being is essential for greater health, youthfulness, and a stress-free life. The pandemic has highlighted the need for justice and accountability in society. People are becoming more vocal and demanding reasons and justifications for unlawful acts committed by corrupt leaders, politicians, and terrorists. This societal shift towards seeking justice and transparency is a positive step towards creating a more equitable and fair world. On an individual level, the pandemic has also led to a heightened focus on health, looks, and overall well-being. People are increasingly conscious of their physical appearance and are taking steps to maintain a youthful and fit lifestyle, even in their advanced years. This shift towards prioritizing health and well-being is a positive sign that individuals are preparing their bodies for a higher and healthier life. In line with this focus on health and well-being, veganism is gaining popularity as people reject animal cruelty and opt for healthier plant-based alternatives. The increased availability of egg substitutes and mock meat plant-based products caters to the growing demand for ethical and sustainable food choices. Veganism not only aligns with the values of compassion towards animals, but also offers various health benefits. Self-awareness is another important aspect of personal growth and authenticity. Through activities such as exploring personal values and understanding what truly matters to them, women can gain clarity and a sense of purpose. When individuals align their actions with their core values, they become more authentic and influential in their roles. Additionally, staying connected to a higher purpose can bring meaning to our experiences, even in challenging circumstances. This higher purpose can provide us with a sense of direction and fulfillment, helping us navigate through difficult times. It can also serve as a guiding force in making decisions that align with our values and beliefs. As we come to the end of this enlightening journey, it is with great pleasure that we have shared these insights on how our planet is entering a golden age from a spiritual perspective. We have delved into the remarkable shifts happening in our collective consciousness and witnessed the growing acceptance of spirituality, along with an increased awareness of health and the environment. The future is indeed bright, as the new generation with their fresh perspectives and values leads the way towards an enlightened existence. The recent pandemic has also served as a catalyst for change, prompting individuals to reevaluate their priorities and embrace a more meaningful way of life. It is truly an exciting time to be alive and consciously contribute to the creation of a better world. As we conclude our video, we invite you to remain open-minded, compassionate, and committed to personal growth. Let us continue to explore new horizons, expand our awareness, and make a positive impact on the world around us. If you have enjoyed this video and found value in the information provided, we kindly request you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will stay updated with our latest content, empowering you further on your spiritual journey. We would love to hear your thoughts and insights on this topic, so please feel free to share your comments in the section below. Your feedback is important to us and helps us create more content that resonates with you. Until we meet again in our next video, Keep manifesting and stay tuned for more inspiring content.